What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Austin with Proper Exterior Cleaning here. Today we're going to talk about PPP. Now, it just sounds like some random letters, but it actually means something important. We're going to call it Proper Property Protection. I know it sounds like a mouthful, but it means something for real. So what that means is every property that we come across, whether it's residential or commercial, we're going to take this red stucco tape here and basically go along areas that we know that water can intrude. So on commercial storefronts like this, it's really common for these little gaps right here to basically, you can just spit water through it. There's no way to kind of prevent it unless you put a barrier over it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our tape and we're basically just gonna run it right down the middle. Unless you fail like that. But what this does is it prevents all the water from getting in between this gap here, and it'll basically make it waterproof. So we just take some tape. It's not going to cause any damage to this substrate. This substrate is metal, but we do the same process on painted surfaces like houses and all that kind of stuff. If it's something really delicate, we'll use a more sensitive tape that still gives us the waterproof capabilities, but it's not going to pull off any paint. So once we do that centerpiece right there, we'll then branch off up at the top here and basically make a T out of this tape, and then we always tape off the locks right here just to make sure that none of the internals get corroded or any water or anything gets in there. And then sometimes if we do forget to do one of those, we'll take some WD-40 or some lubricant, spray it in there, and if anything, it's going to make it better than how it was when we were live. So that's just one of the ways that we take care of your property and protect it the best way that we can. So stay tuned for more tips, and so you can kind of see how we do things on both residential and commercial properties.
Once we finish getting the doors and other areas taped off, we proceed with rinsing down the building. This just helps prevent the chemicals from cleaning any deeper than they need to, and it makes it a little bit easier for us to rinse. You can see we're going through soaping the windows, the whole building, pretty much everything. This is going to get rid of the dust, the dirt, the debris, all that kind of fun stuff. And then we do one last final rinse. We make sure we clean the windows really good so there's no soap that's streaking on them. Taking into consideration all the lights and the signage, reducing as much water that's there.